I'm still every day thinking of the solution on how to make the team more productive. When we say about operation, there will be a lot of things that it will be the same task day over day, week over week, right? So we need to think of solution to reduce the amount of time that we spend on these kind of tasks. For example, something that we do a lot of the company is marketing, organizing webinars, events that we need to do for every single webinars is, sending invites to people, sending confirmation email when they register, remind them to join the webinars when it's like 2 or 3 days before the webinar, and sending thank you. That for kind of emails, 100 people, that will be 400 emails, and that would be crazy. It would take days to complete. So we need to find tools, and like HubSpot, Fresh Sales, MailChimp, a lot of tools that they have these kind of automation feature to help people to spend less time on these kind of tasks. The second thing is I used to be really proud when I said that in the past that I can multitask, but now no. When you multitask, at the end of the day you get nothing done, right? So for the people who are in the operation, make sure that every day you have a list of 10 things that you need to do. You can set it by the most priority task to the top, or the most easiest task to do first, but at least in a way that you will have some time to focus and deliver a quality result for your customer, right? And if you need time to focus on something really important, really critical for you to do on that day, isolate yourself. Turn off all of the email, turn off all of the group chat. Make sure that you get into a quiet room. No one can bother you. Spend a good 1 or 2 hours to finish it, and then that's it. And then you can go back to your helping your team and etc. And for operation, like if you want to make sure that there's no risk along the way of the operating process, so that you have to spend time and then go and resolve the issues. Set deadlines so that at least that would be something that you don't have to spend too much time to focus on.